In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Printify to Big Cartel. If you're planning to expand your online store and integrate some stellar print-on-demand services, you've come to the right place. Sit back, follow along, and let's get started. Firstly, let's navigate over to the Big Cartel dashboard. Start by opening your web browser and logging into your Big Cartel account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to your dashboard. This is your main hub, the control center where all of your store management happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already. Next, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu bar. Find the option labeled Apps and give it a click. This section is where Big Cartel houses all the available integrations that can enhance your store's functionality. It's a fantastic resource if you're looking to bring additional tools into your e-commerce ecosystem. Once in the Apps section, scroll down the list until you find Printify. There might be a little confusion due to a mention of Printful in the past. However, our current focus is on Printify. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the correct integration, so keep an eye out specifically for Printify to make the right connection. Now, once you've located the Printify app, you're one step away from integration. You'll notice a notification indicating that this feature is either a paid option or requires an upgrade of your account to gain access. This is an important consideration to keep in mind, as additional costs might be involved depending on the current plan you have with Big Cartel. If you're ready to proceed, you'll need to upgrade your account. Simply click on the upgrade or installation option that appears. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this process. It's straightforward and shouldn't take long. Once your account is successfully upgraded, you should be able to install and connect Printify with ease. At this point, Printify should now be linked to your Big Cartel store. With this integration, you'll have access to a variety of print-on-demand products that you can customize, market, and sell directly through your store. This setup will allow you to broaden your product offerings without the overhead of managing stock or inventory yourself. To ensure everything is working as intended, it's a good idea to test a few products out. This will help you understand how the integration functions in practice and allow you to address any setup issues that may arise before your customers do. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Printify to your Big Cartel store, paving the way for exciting new product offerings and opportunities for your business. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your e-commerce journey.